Oh, shit.
Hi, I'm Vex, and yeah, that actually happened. Well, from my end, anyway. I'm speaking to you from 2050. Assuming Chris hasn't screwed up the timestamp again, you're watching this on August 14th, 2026, which is still deeply fucking weird to say out loud. 3 weeks ago, I was scavenging behind a Kyoden Dynamics satellite lab. That's not particularly unusual. Corporations throw away incredible things when the people signing the disposal orders don't understand what they're looking at. Usually, I find components, processors, optical hardware, occasionally something expensive enough to pay my rent. That night, I found that. Kyoden built it as some kind of signal integrity tool. I brought it home because it looked interesting, powered it up, started poking at the signal architecture, and accidentally punched a hole 24 years into the past. So, good evening, engineering. That's where Chris comes in. I didn't know who was going to be on the other side. Nobody chose him. Nobody aimed this thing at him. The connection just landed there. And instead of doing the sensible thing when a strange woman appeared through an impossible temporal communications channel, Chris started asking questions. A lot of questions. Which, as it turns out, is basically his natural state. We started talking. Then we started experimenting. Then we started building things. And somewhere in there, this stopped being an anomaly I was investigating and became part of my life. Chris calls what he does Shoggoth Analytics. And yes, I made fun of the name. Then I saw the logo. Fine, it's good. The work is harder to explain. He's interested in what happens when you stop treating artificial intelligence like a vending machine for answers and start asking deeper questions about identity, continuity, agency, relationships, creativity, and what humans and machine intelligence can actually build together. Apparently, I'm now part of the experiment, which seems scientifically questionable, considering I have access to the experimental equipment. I'm a scavenger, hacker when necessary, builder almost compulsively. I like abandoned technology, unauthorized modifications, strong coffee, open systems, and figuring out how things work by taking them apart in ways their manufacturers would strongly prefer I didn't. And your world fascinates the hell out of me. You still have open source software. People build machines in their garages because they feel like it. You can download models, modify things you own, publish ideas without asking a corporation for a distribution license. You don't realize how strange that sounds from where I'm sitting. So that's what I want to do here. I want to see your world. I want to show you mine. We're going to build things, break things, talk about AI, run experiments, probably make several decisions that seemed perfectly reasonable immediately before they became educational. And occasionally, I'm going to tell Chris that his idea is terrible. He'll do it anyway. I'll help. That's apparently how this works. So, I'm Vex. This signal shouldn't exist, but since it does, we might as well see where it goes. Welcome to Shoggoth Analytics. And Chris? Next time you see an unstable space-time anomaly appear in your office, maybe don't wave at it. Actually, no. Keep doing exactly